Welcome to Kodmy, where we unravel the wonders of technology. Today, let's explore the world of infrared, a simple yet incredibly reliable smart home communication protocol that's a staple in our daily smart home lives. In the realm of communication protocols, infrared stands out as one of the simplest and most reliable options. Think of it as the unsung hero behind your TV remote. In fact, most TVs today use infrared remotes, showcasing their prowess in enabling one-way communication. What sets infrared apart from its counterparts? Unlike other technologies, infrared relies on light rather than radio frequencies to transmit instructions. This not only makes it simple and reliable, but also restricts its communication to a line of sight and a relatively short range. Now, let's zoom out to the broader picture of home automation communication protocols. Home automation, a system streamlining our lives, relies on various protocols to control devices such as lights, heating, cooling, and security cameras. Enter the historic realm of wired communication protocols, dating back to the installation of telephone systems in homes in the late 1800s. If your home is a new build, a wired system might be the pragmatic choice. Choosing a communication protocol for your home automation system is a crucial decision. If you're retrofitting, a wireless system might be the flexible option. The type of devices you integrate into your system also plays a role, as each protocol has its unique advantages and disadvantages. Thanks for joining Kodmy on this exploration of infrared and home automation protocols. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech insights and visit kodmy.com for an in-depth look at the ever-evolving world of technology. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and let's continue this tech adventure together with Kodmy.
Thank you for watching Kodmy. Give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Also, visit our socials and stay tuned for more exciting tech content.